Oh, it opens up. Entry point this way, coming around this way, and we go around. Oh, let's see what they got over here. Dude. Oh, this is about to be good. This is about to be good. Come with me, y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm looking at. So, here you got this part of the Overlook. And this is what it looks like. So I will go this way. But if you go this way, as you can see people down here. So what I'm doing is, I'm coming in this direction. Over here. Where these rocks are. So I can show y'all. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. Look at this, y'all. Look. Nature Man has done it again. Look. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. I will go down. As you can see, I could possibly get down these boulders to get an even closer look. But what I would rather do is go that direction and make my way down. But for now, I'm just gonna do it from here and show y'all. Stay tuned for part 2. This is gonna be good.